bikorwa byo muri district edi Kwizera ayobora ngo mu rubukimbiro honka konka no mu ihanga ryona abesimbireho nibatunga uburemezi bw'urukara rw'abatezi Akaruuru n'emyanya yo kuterera Akaruuru nagira ngo abesimbireho bingi nibaronda Akaruuru batarukumanya umuhendo gw'abatezi Akaruuru kabiyabo
having a credible register. The credible register can be only, but it affects the performance. So the party should make sure that there is a credible register, and the number of voters stations must be known by those people campaigning, because there is no way a candidate will go to campaign without knowing the voters, number of voters in a given place.
nagira ngo wecyumuretiro Okwerarikirira n'urukara rw'abatezi b'Akaruuru barumwa b'Akaruuru b'ikirabo abashemerere kutera Akaruuru Kwizera enda ngo agakiko k'ebyoburura ka NRM katezo Akaruuru.
I believe that we are going to insist that a new register reflecting members of NRM who are supposed to vote in Buchimbiri and in other parts of Soro must be dispatched from Kampala. And we must, even as candidates, consulting with other candidates.
Kwizera nashobora ngo habatagizire cyakorwa ntizbo bushuma bwa Akaruuru na urukara roro n'uru rwabere rukoze sibwo mu Akaruuru kazi akarigire muwe cyaresere obuzibu.
That this was seen in Soro has a very bad experience. We had the previous elections and because of poor management of elections, because of rigging and the conduct in those elections, the NRM lost the elections, the Agabeara lost. So the effect of a bad that people may not be satisfied with the outcomes of the results.
Kwizera najahirize kwereze kiteko barukwe mbere by'obururu nagira ngo ayina masuko ngo nikiza gukorwaho.
If you want to reduce on the number of independents and on the credibility of elections, we must have a credible register. So I have since consulted with the chairman in Kampala to say that this register is known by him, and Professor Tango Doi has that this is fake, and the registers are being dispatched from Kampala.
Kwizera nashobora ngo n'abakozi b'ekibina nabo bake kiri kureta emirimo yabo
instead of being handpicked even when they lack competence. So we must know who is going to be the presiding officer or with the presiding officer at each position. Their qualifications must be set instead of being handpicked relatives and friends or of candidates. So that one was
agarice yazumira umuringo gw'abebe byo kutera Akaruuru barukwebwe emirimo ari kugira ngo nabo barukukirayo leta uremeza bwo kutera Akaruuru. Gashaka Doni Yatayire.